So let's see if we can get the auxiliary water pump into its mounting. So looks like this. There are these little rubber grommet things, and there are holes sort of which are wider on one end and narrower on the other. And the idea is you push them in on the wide end, and then push these rubber grommets that way towards the front of the car, and it's supposed to just stick. So this is pretty sketchy arrangement if you ask me, but there is not a reason why. So I'm going to take off the masking tape. Whose purpose I have now forgotten. That is, we put it on. But so this hose goes in there. And this hose goes in here, but we should put in the clamp first, hose clamp first. So I'm going to do that. Put that guy in here. So of course, it's not as if the pump is going to go anywhere. This is more for, I think I'll have to move the clamp over the other side. It's more for to keep the pump from rattling around, I guess. So there are rubber grommets, and maybe it makes a noise. I couldn't say. So you probably don't want any vibration. Okay, so push this guy over here. There's a little knob here against which this hose would butt up. I remember this from removing it. There were these coolant lines from here. I wonder if I should put those in before I put these clamps on. Let me investigate that. So the coolant lines go from here. There was a banjo bolt. I remember it being extremely troublesome. So I should put those in first because this will get in the way.